Hello everybody. Now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. This is practice problem number 9.4 and the question is express these sinusoids as phasors. And here we are given two questions. One is V is equal to sin cos of 2t plus 40 degree in volts. B is I is equal to minus 4 sine of 10t plus 10 degrees in amperes. So whenever you are asked to convert this sinusoid as phasor, first you should look at this given sinusoid. If it is available in cos, then it is okay. That makes your solution very easy. You can easily find out the solution. If you have something like minus cos, or if you have something like minus sine, or if you have something like sine, then you need to convert it first. The conversion is required. So in order to convert this, we must know about these formulas. So if you have minus cos x, that should be converted as plus cos. So cos of x plus or minus, here it is 180 degree. Whenever you have minus sign, so that minus sin x, that can be converted into cos as cos of x plus 90 degree. So if you have plus sign of x, that can be written as cos of x minus 90 degree. So if you know these three formulas, then you can easily do this conversion. Okay, now let's go for solving these two problems now. So now have a look at this first problem. So there it is given as V is equal to 7 cos of 2t plus 40 degree. So what are the norms here, which is already set? Means here you have the plus sign for the magnitude, that is okay, and the thing is available in cosine format, that is also okay. So directly straight away we can write, first you write this as capital V whenever you want to write it in phasor form, that is equal to this 7 is your R, that is your magnitude, so you can write it as 7, and then this 40 degree is your phase. Okay, so you can write it as angle 40 degree, this much volts. So this is your answer. It's very simple, right? Now we move on to the second part. So what is available in the second part? It is I is equal to minus 4 sine of 10t plus 10 degree in amps. So here we need to do some modification, then only you can convert it into phasor form. So what modifications are required? Here you have this minus sign, right? So that should be changed. You have to change it into plus sign with the sign. Okay. So here sign is there. This minus sign is there. So this minus sign of x can be converted into plus cos. So where would you go for? The second formula is applicable here, right? So that is equal to cos of that x plus 90 degree. So what it is? Minus 4 now converted into plus 4 cos of 10t plus 10. This is your x, right? Plus 190 degree you have to add there. This much amperes. So this is equal to 4 cos of 10t plus 100 degrees in amps. So now it is in the proper sinusoid form to convert it into phasor form. Now we can easily convert this into phasor. So to convert phasor, first what you need to do, you have to write this as capital I, and then this represents your magnitude R. So you can write it as, and then this represents your phase angle, right? So you can put it in angle 100 degrees. This much angle. This is your answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood.